Hi guys, welcome back to Spot Art channel. Now I will give you tutorial how to log out of your Twitch account on mobile for Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So don't miss off our videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And let's go to start it. First, we go to Twitch application that you have been to install it before. Click on the Twitch. And after that, you can click the symbol in the upper of the left corner. The symbol or the photos of yours, click on it in the left corner. Okay, and after that you can go to accounts settings. And how to be logged out, there is a have the logout button in the bottom. Okay, logout button in the bottom. It means you can go log out to tap this. Okay, click and tap the logout, and you can appear for the text. Currently logout is a Nuriel, and Nuriel is logout. You can log out it, and now you are logged out for your account. Okay, this is a tutorial how to log out of your Twitch account on mobile for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.